In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to draw Gann Box on TradingView. By the end, you'll know exactly where to find the tool and how to get your chart ready so you can start working with Gann analysis confidently. Let's begin by opening TradingView in your browser. TradingView is a web-based charting platform, so you don't need to install anything to follow along. Once the site loads, you'll see the main dashboard with a search bar and a preview of various markets. Next, choose the stock or index you want to analyze and open the full chart. Use the search bar at the top to type the symbol you're interested in, then select it from the suggestions. When the overview page appears, click the option that opens the full featured chart. This brings you to the primary workspace where you can see candles, indicators, and the drawing toolbar around the edges. Working in the full featured chart ensures you have access to all drawing tools and enough screen space to place your Gann structures precisely. With your chart open, look to the left-hand toolbar for the drawing tools. Hover over the section that groups the Gann and Fibonacci tools. This category includes several geometry and ratio-based tools, often used to analyze price and time relationships. If you don't see labels, hover briefly and the tool tips will appear, helping you identify the right group. The idea here is to access the family of tools designed for proportional and cyclical analysis, which is where the Gann Box lives. Now select the Gann Box from that menu. Once you click it, the tool becomes active and your cursor will reflect that selection. You're now set to place a Gann Box on your chart. The Gann Box is designed to help you visualize how price and time interact inside a structured grid, giving you a framework to observe potential zones of support, resistance, and timing windows. Even before you place it, notice how the tool prepares you to anchor a box that respects both horizontal and vertical dimensions, aligning price movement with elapsed time. That's all you need to get the tool ready. You've navigated to TradingView, opened the full chart for your chosen symbol, accessed the Gann and Fibonacci tools, and selected the Gann Box so it's ready for use. From here, you can proceed with your own approach to positioning it on the chart in a way that fits your analysis style. If you follow these steps each time, you'll quickly build the habit of setting up your workspace consistently, making your Gann studies clearer and more repeatable. Thanks for watching and happy charting.